Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to download multiple files from Google Drive. Follow along as we walk you through the process. First, locate the files you want to download. You can navigate through your Google Drive folders by clicking on them. To select multiple files, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command key on Mac and click on each file you want to download. You will notice that the selected files will be highlighted. Once you have selected all the desired files, right-click on any one of them to open the context menu. From the context menu, click on the Download option. Google Drive will then start compressing the selected files into a single zip archive. Depending on the size and number of files, it may take a few moments for the zip archive to be created. Please wait until the download starts. Once the download is complete, you can find the downloaded zip file in your computer's default download location or the location you specified for downloads. To access the individual files within the zip archive, double-click on the downloaded zip file. Your computer's default zip utility will open, allowing you to extract the files. Select the files you want to extract from the zip archive and choose the extraction location, such as a specific folder on your computer. Once you have selected the files and the extraction location, click on the Extract or Unzip button. The selected files will be extracted to the specified location. After the extraction is complete, you can navigate to the extraction location and access the individual files. They will be available for use on your computer. That's it. You have successfully downloaded multiple files from Google Drive. Remember to select the files, download them as a zip archive, extract the files, and access them on your computer. Thank you for watching.